Alright, good morning everybody. Today I'm gonna chart stocks that I might consider buying within this week. Today is January 28th, Philippine time, 2024. And dagdag tayo ng instead of limiting it to under $10, we'll look for stocks that are below $20, mid cap, stocks that got up last Friday with a volume of 500,000 minimum. Alright, so I think we have 40 stocks to chart here, and maybe one of your favorites is here, so keep watching. And also there's a video that I created na pareho lang ba yung kikitain natin if we will just buy stocks that are below $10, below $20, $5, given na pareho yung ating account size or position size, given na pareho yung increase ng gain, let's say for example 5%, pareho lang sila. So tanong, pareho bang kita? Let's say if you will be buying $100 worth of stock price, pero ang position size mo lang $500, so that will be just 5 shares lang. Pareho lang ba yun kung bibili ka ng stocks that is worth $5 with your account position size of $500? Will this give you same gain? Okay, watch this video. I'll put the link in the description below. Tsaka, okay, you can look up, upper right somewhere. Nandiyan yun. Okay? Alright, so let's go. Let's start with ADT Inc. ADT. So, alam niyo naman yung mga matagal na nanonood dito and then mga nakasubscribe. We do a multi-time frame analysis, a top-down approach. Okay, bakit? Why we do that? Para makita natin yung trend niya, makita natin yung pattern, kung anong market phase na siya. So it will give us a better understanding of the market status. Okay, like here on the weekly time frame, sideways siya, and creating a small uptrend here. Wait, eto, yan, di ba nakita natin na ito nasa resistance, the breakout, the retest, the breakdown. So, ganyan ang itsura niya sa weekly. But, it created a new high. It created its new high. Pero, yun nga, nire-reject every time it reaches this point. Ayan. So this can be a new resistance. Pwede ka na sa daily. Okay, nasa resistance siya. So are we buying this? Pakitype sa comment section below. What will you do? ALIT. Elite. Okay, let's go to let's put our support and resistance here para makita natin yung key level, kasi minsan nagtataka tayo parang, ba't siya bumaba? Pataas naman siya. Yung pala sa weekly nauntog pala siya sa resistance. Okay, in this case, previous support, resistance, reject, resistance. Okay, umangat onte, bumalik. So this can be resistance number 2. Okay, so ngayon nasa resistance siya. Ano yung probability natin dyan na mag-breakout yan? Hindi natin alam. Minsan kahit malakas yung volume natin, di mo rin masabi. So for the breakout traders, siguro mas alam yung gagawin dito, no, sa data place. But for me, sorry, for me, I won't buy this kasi nasa resistance na siya. Most of the time, I buy on support. Okay, so pass tayo dyan. Next, ARCO. ARCO. Okay. Okay, let's draw our key levels. Aba, maganda to. Ang mga uptrend na maganda to. Okay. Paano natin nasabi na uptrend? High, higher high, higher high, higher high. This is the low, higher low, higher low, higher low. So we can plot our, so clearly this is an uptrend, right? Okay, ito na ba yung kanyang, ang 52-week high niya is 13. So I click natin sa invest sa 52-week high yun. You know, 52-week high niya is 13. Okay. So, are we buying or are we gonna wait? Okay, let's go to the daily. Again, yun nga, nasa resistance siya. So, I will have to wait here. Or, kung nag-short kayo, guys, you can short this. Again, this is not a recommendation, but for me, kaya lang, to be honest, ako hindi pa ako nag-short eh. Parang gusto ko muna maging magaling dito. But if kung kailangan na talaga, I can do that with my interactive brokers na broker. I can do that. Pero sa GoTrade, wala pang short sa GoTrade eh. So if you want, I have a link in the description below. Both yung sa GoTrade tsaka ito sa interactive brokers. You can check that. Alright, so for me, it's a pass. Pero kung mag-short ako, I think I'll buy here. Kasi nga, nauntog niya sa resistance eh. Okay, AROC. Ito, ang linaw na nag-gap up siya. Nilagpasan niya yung 52-week high niya na 16.04, 52-week high, you know. So, for breakout traders, usually, kung malakas to, they believe that it will continue to go up kasi may momentum. Okay. Then, for those traders na medyo try to be safe, antay muna sila mag-retest dito sa 52-week high. Then, from there, tsaka sila bibili. For me, wait lang muna ako. Kasi again, we buy on support. Basic lang guys. Basic. Bank. B-A-N-C. Okay, ito nag-gap up din. 52-week high is 18.26. So, medyo ganda-ganda pa yung upside natin dito. Kaya sa weekly, so galing pala siya sa downtrend. Ito, consolidate siya dito. Accumulation phase. And malaking candlestick to na bullish with the high volume. Pwede. And creating a trend line. Diba sabi natin, thin low, higher low. Kaso, medyo hindi siya consistent, no? Kasi ito naman sa taas natin, flat lang siya. Form siya ng triangle. Previous support, turn resistance, medyo matibay-tibay yan. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin dyan is daily. So, daily, yung candlestick niya, may wick sa taas, talagang nagkaroon na rejection dito. Okay? In spite of a high volume here, yes, tumas nga siya, pero nauntog din. Okay? So, antayin na natin siya bumaba dito. Again, mga momentum traders, breakout traders, hinantay nila bumili dito. Okay? So, guys, ingat-ingat lang sa whipsaw. Tsaka sa yung mga market makers, yung mga big companies, yung paniniwala nila dito, meron dito liquidity zone. So, papatasin nila hanggang ganyan, magbibilihan tayo, tapos tsaka nila ibebenta. Okay. So, next, ka-bank, no? Mabilis lang to, guys, ha? Mabilisan lang to. And make sure i-take note nyo, sulat nyo, para pwede nyo siyang balikan. Okay, ito, ganda, uptrend. Okay, so weekly, low, higher, low, medyo ma-uptrend nga siya. However, taas lang, parang form siya ng triangle. High, lower, high. Okay, sa daily. Alright. Sa daily, nasa support siya. Pero yung weak, wala kayong mga weak niya dito, sign of rejection. And tamo, ang nagpo-form siya ng ano, guys, oh. ng head and shoulder. So, shoulder, head, shoulder. Nako, pababa to. Iwas. CLF, CLVT, CLVT. Okay, let's look at the weekly. Okay, downtrend, nag-break out. Pero hindi pa natin masabi na ano dito, no? Change of character kasi hindi niya pa nabe-break tong high na to, eh. Umangat nga siya pero hindi niya pa na-break. Pag na-break yan, pwede natin na, pa-uptrend na siya. So, sa daily natin, kung gusto nyo chumapit-chupit, pwede. Ito yung support natin. Support, angat. Pero, pahina siya, eh. Oh. Yung highs natin, bumababa. High, lower high. So, pag ganito, unless you are going for a short position, pwede. Okay. C-O-U-R. Coursera. Gap down. Tapos agad-agad niya ng finifil, no? Hindi, okay, nasa uptrend siya. Kaya sa weekly. Okay. So, nag-accumulate siya dito. Then, umakyat. Accumulate. And then, mag-uptrend. So, maliit yung upside, guys. Kasi malapit yung sa resistance. So, pass. CWK. Okay. Ano, guys, tingin nyo dito? Uptrend ba to? Downtrend? Uptrend o downtrend? CWK DI. Sa ano to, guys? Ano tingin nyo? Accumulation phase ba to? Distribution. Accumulation happens after a downtrend. So, nasa resistance siya. Hindi na natin kailangan pumunta ng daily dahil nakita na natin dito sa weekly. Oh. Okay. DNB. Okay, ito yung pinaka-bottom niya. Tignan natin muna yung ano. Sige, tignan mo ng bottom. Okay, nasa resistance, pass. ERJ. ERJ, yung resistance. Okay, so ano, what do you think? FBP. Ito yung weak high niya. Kaya plot lang natin, guys, yung mga support and resistance para pag nirevisit natin sila, alam na natin. Okay, so ito, yan lang ito resistance. FHN. So, final nyo yung gap down niya. Okay, so guys, that's all for this part 1 of our charting session. I hope it created value to you para may kasama kayong nag-chart and tignan natin kung okay ba yung titingin tayo sa support and resistance o hindi. What other indicators do we need, especially in this screening time only. Alright, so again guys, ako ang ano ko, philosophy ko dito, para itong trading para ka nasa Formula 1. Yung Formula 1 car, yun yung strategy natin. And then the driver, yan yung psychology, risk management, trade management. And I also, ito sa screen naman, di ba sa Formula 1 meron mga Q1, Q2, Q3. Eto, nasa Q1 pa lang tayo nito. Ini-screen pa lang natin itong mga stocks na nasa support and with volume and perhaps have a good MACD or a good the price above moving averages. So, yun ang Q2 na natin. And then Q3, yun yung magpa-position size na tayo. Titignan tayo ng news kung okay. Kasi kung lahat to titignan mo ng news, maubos lang oras natin. Kung lahat to lagyan mo ng ng EMA, nakakaduling, ang daming guhit-guhit, hindi malinis. Okay, so sa ganito early stage, yun lang muna tayo. Nasaan ba siya? Nasa support or resistance? Ano ba siya? Nasa uptrend, downtrend, sideways? So, para alam natin kung pwede natin siya ilagay sa ating watch list. Alright, so guys, see you on the next video, part 2. So, as of now, na ano pa lang natin is FBP. Nasa 14 stocks pa lang. And we are supposed to more or less mga 40. Okay? For charting. Tapos mamaya na natin yan. Maproseso talaga to. Akala na iba, pag trade ka, yung actual lang na time na gabi or yung trading hours lang. But the works begins ito sa pag-screening. Okay? So I know you understand. Kaya sinasabi ni ba, isang oras lang kami nag-stocks. Ano nga lang kami. 10 minutes lang, kumikita na kami ng milyon-milyon. Ika nga nila, di wow. Okay, pero sa totoo lang, medyo kakain talaga ng oras to kung siseryosohin natin yung pag-trade. Hindi pa pwede dito yung pachamba-chamba lang. Kasi pag ganon, hindi tayo para dito. Doon tayo sa casino. Okay? Yung paswerte-swerte lang. Okay, tandaan natin, prayer is not a strategy. Ito, labanan dito, probability. So, kaya meron tayong mga indicators, meron tayong mga rules, para yung mga yun na titignan natin kung ano yung probability. The higher the probability, better chance of it going to our bias. Okay. Okay, so yun lang guys, medyo maba na tong closing ko. See you on the part 2 and other videos yung sinabi ko kaninang kung pareho lang ba mag-gain natin ng $5 sa $50 or $100. Kung pareho sila nag-increase, kung pareho lang sila ng position size. Ayun. Alright, so see you. Kung di pa kayo na-subscribe feel free to subscribe. And click the like button. Okay? Feel free to share this as well. Alright? See you.